But here are the designs. We will try the different options to explore it, find the different structure, layer styles we will apply over it. So these are the shapes here. We are finding the designs here made in a attraction. Here is another shape to use and find a new picture here. Add a paint around it. Use the shapes. I will try the designs here. Let's find another shape. Use the pattern stamp here. We are